So what I liked most was
The first 2 days of training, which were held in Madrid.
it was a nice way to meet every engineers and other trainees all over Europe and to have that nice vibe to start off in G Cloud University.
It was really nice.
Hello. Hello. Hello everyone. Welcome back.
I applied at Devoteam G Cloud to always work with the state-of-the-art, work with the Google technologies and keep on learning during my career. It's very exciting that we get to learn how to use all the Google technologies in a very short amount of time.
I've been here for a month and a half and I feel like I'm working in a really fun atmosphere with talented colleagues and I'm learning a lot. I've already got 2 certifications, so that's really nice.
One advice for new joiners would be to be open to learn a lot of new things.
Just go for it. I know that it can feel scary at first, not knowing much about Google Cloud and all of the products and services, but you would be surprised at how much you can learn in a month and how much you can improve actually.
Working at Devoteam G Cloud is
Such a nice vibe.
Empowering.
Learning.
inspiring.